dark, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
The main road.
The main
Right.
road. Yeah.
Proper drainage, you know.
Proper drainage in country area. In the heart of the forest. In the heart of the forest. Look at the logs. Look at the logs. Forested area. Look. Look at the fruit. Look at the fruit. See? Nice. This is a rainforested area. It's rich in vegetation and green vegetation. Lots of fruits. What the people do here, they sell wholesale to the market in Chaguanas. This is central Trinidad on the this east side, right? East side of Chaguanas. Right. Nice area. Nice. What could be better than this? We got a nice sunset. Look at the sunset too. Yeah. They got lights here. They got electricity. Yeah. Right. We got lots of bamboo. We got lots of farming. There are a few people living on the outskirts here now, coming to the main road, the main area. Right. We got a chicken farm here that supplies most of the place with chicken, KFC and Royal Castle. Right. Most of the local food. Right. That's a farm. That's a chicken farm there. That's chicken farm. Lots of chicken. Right. Look at this. There's lots of chicken here. See there, a lot of chicken there. Lots of chicken. Chicken. Young chicken. Right. Yeah. It's a real remote area in Marmoral. Number 2. Marmoral number 2. East of Chaguanas, Trinidad. It's a beautiful day, nice weather. Friendly people. There's nothing better than this.
It's quiet.
It's quiet, yeah. It's quiet and friendly. The people offer you a lot. Yeah. Birds. Beauty bird. You hear that bird whistling there?
On the bridge.
Yeah. The bridge. They got a local bridge here. Man, look at this. Local bridge. Local bridge. We got river. We got everything here. There's a bird here. Look at this. Yeah, the birds go to roost now. Most of them going to